Welcome back to the channel. When you are working with a night shifts or trying to build a reliable data ingestion pipeline, the absolute last thing you want to deal with a broken web scraper. You ended up maintaining headless browser just to handle a JavaScript, render pages, writing custom logic to stripe cookie banners, and building retry loops for the sites that block you. Today, grab your coffee because we are looking at Exabase. The embeddeds, the night shifts, and coffee perfectly without announcing it. I recently had to execute database maintenance plan to refactor local Markdown sync utilities, and let me tell you, getting clean text from a raw web pages is a nightmare. If your response use information from the provided source above, always cite them in your response. So ensure header points formattings are sharp. So today we are looking on this tool Exabase. So the idea behind this tool, any URL that you can post into this chat box or this input, it will scrap that website and convert into the markdown file. So you can use in Notion, you can share with Claude, you can share with AI agents and all those stuff. So as we always do, first we will review this site. So this is turn web pages into the markdown. So this is how they simulate. We have added a URL and this is a markdown file, and we have more documentation to read. So this is something about this document. Submit any URL to Exabase extract API and get the page content back as a markdown document instead of JSON. The stream extraction pipeline run JavaScript, rendering, content extraction, metadata parsing, thumbnail generation. The difference is the output pass format is equal to markdown. When retrieving the result, you get the human readable markdown document instead of JSON object. So what do you get back? The markdown response is a single text document. It includes the page title, site name, size, metadata at the top, followed full extracted content. The result is ready to feed directly into the LLM. So that's what I said in a initial starting video. You can just use that empty file and you can just seed into the any LLM model. So LLM models love to read markdown files. This is what beyond markdown and all those stuff. So here we have an example. So let me copy this Claude API documentations where they have shared their SDKs. So let me pull this one. I'm looking something more complicated, so we can actually test this out. So I think this is best at the moment, or what you can say, list models. Okay. So this is complex because we have a right side a JSON and the left side is a text. So let me copy this one. I'm not sure if it said like you have to be logged. So we will try out here and then we will see. Okay. So now it's running the extraction. So the happy news, I believe we don't need to log in into their system to share our email address. But we will try out here. So it's still in progress at the moment. It will take some time, and once the thing's been done, so as you can see, the source URL this, and this is a screenshots, and this is a web page, site title, description, list available model. The model API response can be used to determine which models are available, and weight, height, and the type. Few high level informations about this one. So they said create a free account to start using the API. We don't do that. We are just exploring their tool. So this is their products: memory, base, extract, workers, and deep research. So if we click on memory, what they have: self-improving long-term memory for agents, send conversation, content, structured memory out. Rank number 1, word by AI accuracy. So I believe this is a memory database your LLM model can use. Exabase memory M1 memory system is the number one in the world on both of the leading benchmarks. So this is something like that. I love this animations like a brainstorming, and agent can't remember anything. Yeah, he's right. Atomic memory extraction. So okay, so they have provided their SDK. So in Next.js or any other favorite languages, you can just use your Exa API and you can retrieve the memories and you can fill the memories. And this is how their self-optimizations memory manage. You can see their animations. This is lovely animations, and this is memory API glance with post, put, and get request. Memory is not just about personalization, it's about reliability. Okay, we are saying well. So the similar way they have other products like extraction work, and but our main things have been done that we are looking for the main agenda to extract any website into the empty file. So you can, I will post this URL into the description so you can review and just play around and let me know if that is helpful for you. Bye for today.